Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick. Oh, this is unboxing. I do unboxings all the time on Instagram, and I post them on YouTube, but this is just to give you guys another option in case you happen to you can rent cross-country skis at some local forest preserves in Illinois, or again, if you want to fit your own, you'll have to be fitted for them, but they usually sell them at the end of the season. Again, Play It Again Sports. Sometimes REI will have used equipment for sale at the end of the season. It's nice to keep around. They don't take up, they're not your average skis because they're very narrow, but they don't take up much space. And to give you a couple days of getting outside to enjoy this, if it was really sunny earlier, but I can get out here in my backyard. The guys do ice fishing here. There's nobody else here. If I can find a longer lake, I think it'd be better because I can get more cardiovascular. Good workout, good for knees because you don't really have to lift them up. I'm not getting any bite because I'm holding this camera here, but it is a good workout. It's cardiovascular. So core body temperature, even with the sun, it's probably like 20 outside. Core body temperature's got to be at least 100, so I'm feverish. And heart rate, about 150, 140, which is where I want to keep it for about 15 minutes. I'm going to do another 10 minutes, and that'll be my 15 minutes of cross-country skiing. Is supposed to be to get you from one place to another place in inclement weather, but we've learned to use it as a sport. The biathlon, where you go miles across country, uphill, downhill, and then you compose yourself and take a rifle shot, which is counterintuitive because you have a ton of fight or flight when you're doing the cross country, and then to take a shot, a distance shot at that with a rifle through a scope, you have to slow down to the point of even pulling the trigger between heartbeats. And you and I will probably be super tachycardic, fast heart rate, just from doing a little bit. I just did what, 50 yards. This is good for knees because you don't really lift, you're just sliding. You should wax up your skis. You should wear gaiters, which I don't have. I got these at Play It Again Sports for 140 bucks off season. The boots I think they came with, they are used, and then the poles are my hiking poles. So it is hard to try to turn. You can take your feet out, but I've got 5 inches of snow and it'd be tough. Like any new sport, if you're not used to it, you'll have to expend a ton of energy and it'll be inefficient. So that's okay. I'm not out to set any world records. Just want to get some training and get my heart rate up. So inefficiency is okay. Now if I get injured, different story, but I mean, I'm just gonna fall in the water and freeze. I hear it's good to get cryotherapy this time of year. So again, another option is you rent them, and that's probably easier. If you have waterproof boots, you hike. If you have snowshoes, you go across and forage fields. If you want to try your park preserve or parking lot, then you get yak tracks. If you want to really work out and you have some long straight distance, rent snowshoes, snow skis, go cross country. Ooh, it's wet over here. So when it's wet, it's gonna grab my skis like it's doing. So either way, it's nice to get outside because in 2 months, it's gonna be St. Paddy's Day, and then April, and summer. So try your best to get outside, get this COVID 15 pounds of weight off, and stay healthy. Because if you do get COVID, best way to beat it is to lower your risk factors: diabetes, high blood pressure, weight, obesity, inactivity. They're all risks. So get moving. My thighs are already spent, so it's a different activity. So get protected. Come to my workshop at the endorphin effect on February 6th. I'll teach you how to turn on the heart. Stay out of the cardiologist's office. See you next video.